8005 Bremen virtual tour. This is an awesome house in Parma, Ohio. Good neighborhood. Here's a good street, I should say. We put a brand new double car garage. Nice big backyard there. Let's go inside. This has been updated. So we got new flooring. We got a big basement down here. So if you want to store stuff or whatever you want to do, it's here. We got glass block windows for your privacy. So that's nice. You can see here all that. So it's a very, very nice basement, washer and dryer area right over there. So let's go on your kitchen. And basically you can see put all new flooring in here. All these have been cleaned and polished, all the cabinets. Large kitchen, dishwasher, KitchenAid, gas cooking, and a nice refrigerator. You can see that this is a beautiful, nice, big, open kitchen that you have a lot of storage. Then you go into the living room, and the living room is really nice with new, clean, and polished floors, open floor plan, new paint, very, very nice. And so as you go in here, you can see the bathrooms on the first floor, 2 bedrooms that are Katie bar, and then you have on this 1 bedroom, you do have a nice back door enclosed patio that you can enjoy coffee by yourself, privacy, however you want to do it. And then the other bedroom, same thing, except it doesn't have the patio, same size, but you can see it's all nice, painted, all that. So, and then let's go upstairs to the bedroom here. So this bedroom is the biggest, and you have a lot of storage. You have it there. You have a closet door there, and you can see nice open floor plan, and you can get a lot of stuff here. So you can see this is a big open floor plan. It's all been painted. It's all re-amped. And it's a rare find in Parma, Ohio for a rental. So this is just the end of your virtual tour. Thanks. Hope you have a great day. Thank you.